This is definitely the most terrifying place in the world, a completely dark world that is not visible. To this day, only a few people have stepped on this place. It is the deepest part of the Earth, the Mariana Trench. This trench is located in the east of the Mariana Islands in the West Pacific. This underwater abyss is one of the most mysterious and least explored places on Earth. The trench is about 2,550 kilometers long and about 69 kilometers wide. The terrain structure presents a huge V-shape, but its most shocking feature is its depth. The deepest part of the Mariana Trench is called the Challenger Abyss. It is 10,994 meters deep. Imagine if you put the Wolf's Peak in the Challenger Abyss. Its top will still be covered by over 2,000 meters of seawater. At this depth, the water pressure is even 1,000 times higher than the atmospheric pressure of the seabed. This makes it one of the most extreme environments known to man. In such a bad underwater environment, it has always been taken for granted that there will be nothing deep in this trench. There is no possibility of life. Until 1958, a Soviet scientist named Vytautas conducted a detailed exploration of the trench. He found signs of life 7,000 meters deep. Later, more and more evidence showed that there was a lot of life in the Mariana Trench. In addition to microorganisms, there were all kinds of more complex forms of life. And in a deeper place, is it possible that there is still a hidden prehistoric creature that we don't know about? In order to further find out the truth, in 1960, the explorers Piccard and Walsh tried to dive into the sea for the first time. They took the Delia special submarine and sailed for nearly 5 hours. They successfully arrived at the deepest place in the world. In this 11,000 meters deep dark area, Piccard and Walsh only stayed for 20 minutes and then hurried back. Later, according to their description, there was indeed a lot of life in the depth of the trench. As soon as the news came out, the world was shocked to know that at the bottom of the Mariana Trench, the pressure wall is more than 1,000 times that of a normal seabed. Even the steel plate will deform, but there are still some back and strange fish. But these are not the most important discoveries of this expedition. But when they reached the bottom of the trench, a huge round-shaped unknown creature suddenly appeared and disappeared from their sight in a few minutes. Because this is the first time for humans to step into such a mysterious place, some people guess that this may be some kind of extinct prehistoric creature. In 1985, in order to thoroughly understand the secret of the bottom of the sea, an American research team put a huge detector into the Mariana Trench and did a detailed scan of the trench. But when they arrived at the bottom of the sea, the detector made a strange sound. When the researchers pulled the detector back quickly, they found that the steel plate was grabbed tightly by a mysterious force. After struggling for 3 hours, the detector finally pulled back to life. But what shocked everyone there was that the outside of the detector had obvious scars, as if it had been bitten by something. And some of the steel plates were broken, which did not make sense. Later, after the biologists analyzed the researchers' reports, they suspected that this was a prehistoric giant shark. According to the current fossil record, this shark weighs 50 tons and is 22 meters long, and is the ancestor of all sharks today. If they still exist, would they be hidden in the Mariana Trench? But this guess